Yeah,
Good
please.
evening, ma'am.
Yeah, continue.
Drona responded, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello, Drona. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, these many days I was not able to attend classes due to I had exams, ma'am.
Yeah, be active now. Ashwath is going to ask few questions. Quickly, you're supposed to answer. Start with
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Yeah, Ashwath, continue.
What is the additive inverse of minus 42? Minus 42.
What is the additive inverse of minus 42 is? Sudisha.
Ma'am, it is 42.
Very good. Why?
Ma'am,
Why?
additive inverse means nothing but absolute.
No, not
Like
like that.
absolute
Not like
value.
that. If you combine those two numbers, additive
We'll get 0. We should get 0.
it makes 0, right? Very good. Next. Yeah, Ashwath, continue. You are, please.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, next is Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read out the question quickly.
Yadarth, sorry. Drona, are you there?
Yes, Drona is there. Please read the question, Ashwath.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly.
Sorry, ma'am. I was on mute, ma'am. I thought I was on unmute, ma'am.
Okay.
What is the
What
fifth
is
multiple of 18 or 18 into 5?
Don't tell 18 multiplied with 5. Let him think what is multiple means.
Ma'am, if he gets it wrong, can I tell?
Yes, yes, Siddharth. Yes.
ma'am, I'm
Please
thinking
raise your
around.
hands. Who are able to answer, please raise your
Ma'am, I'm thinking the answer is around 90, ma'am.
Okay, I can see
88,
Ashwath
90,
is
ma'am.
raised. Okay, Daksh. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the fifth multiple of 18?
Ma'am, fifth multiple of 18 is 90. 90.
Very good, very good. Next.
Correct only, ma'am.
Yes, Yadharth. Please, third question, Yadharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Read
How
out.
many? Yes, ma'am. How many lines can pass through one given point? Ma'am, infinity, ma'am.
Very good. Infinite number of lines can be processed through a given
Ma'am, I was not
point.
sure about this question. So, ma'am, it was correct.
Yeah. So,
Ma'am, if two given points, only one time.
exactly. That point, many lines passing through a single point is called a concurrent point or concurrent lines too. Yes, children, do you heard the word concurrent
Yes,
lines,
ma'am.
concurrent point? Yeah,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
remember it is interrelated concept. Next, fourth question, please.
Fourth
Continue.
question is mine, ma'am.
Ashwath.
A square is also a parallelogram. Give reason.
Yes. What is square? What is parallelogram? Can you define first? What are the properties of parallelogram?
Ma'am, parallelogram is like it has two parallel lines,
Very
two
good.
pairs of parallel lines.
Very good. Parallel sides are opposite and equal. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So why a square is a parallelogram? Give reason.
Ma'am, because just it is kind of tilted, ma'am.
Yes.
Both the left and right sides are equal length and they are
Parallel sides are, yeah. Parallel sides are equal means we can say that it's a special type of square is also a parallelogram. Yes. Why? Because anyway opposite sides are equal. If length equal to breadth means immediately it's right. Next one, question number 6, Sudisha.
Ma'am, 5. We did not do 5.
Oh, yeah. Daksh, please, question number 5.
Yes, ma'am. So express 96 in its form of prime factors. Ma'am, 96 is 2 multiplied by 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 3.
2 how many times can you express an exponential form, Daksh? 96?
Ma'am, 2 is 5 times and 3 is 1 time.
Very good. So 2 power 5 multiplied with the 3. Yeah, 2 power 5 is nothing but we know that as 2 power 5 is 32, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 32 multiplied with
3.
3, right, Daksh. Very good. Sixth question goes to Sudisha. Sudisha, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please
Write
on your
the five.
video, Sudisha. Please on your video quickly.
Yeah, ma'am. One.
Yeah, quickly, 15 minutes time for all the questions. You're supposed to complete the 15 minutes the question paper so that we can go with operations and fractions.
Yeah, ma'am. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see. I can see.
Ma'am, sixth question. Write the smallest 5-digit number using the digits 40629. So the digit is 20469.
Wonderful, wonderful, Sudisha. Good job. Next question, number 7 to Drona. Drona.
Ma'am, that is very easy, ma'am.
Yeah, Drona.
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Continue. Please read the question quickly. Don't
Yes, ma'am.
delay that.
What is the smallest whole number, ma'am?
Smallest whole number starts from?
Ma'am, it starts from
We know that natural number starts from 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Whole
ma'am.
numbers, already some clue is also given by Daksh.
Ma'am, 0, ma'am.
Exactly correct. Right. Whole number starts from 0. So which is
Zero,
the
ma'am.
smallest whole number means 0. Yeah.
Ma'am, that's the easiest question.
Yeah. Ashwath, please.
Ma'am, next is Yadar.
Yadharth. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yadharth. Please, 8th question.
Write the Roman numeral for 88. Ma'am, XXC.
Sri Harsha, can I keep a message to your parents so that you are not responding in the classroom?
Ma'am, XXC V111.
Not Sudesha, Sri Harsha. Sri Harsha,
No,
can
ma'am,
I?
I'm telling the answer, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, what is
Ma'am,
88?
XXC.
Ma'am, I got this same question, ma'am, in the foundation book. I was studying for IMO today.
Ma'am, I actually did like LXXXVIII.
Ma'am, I'll send in the chat, ma'am, because it's telling.
Suppose Yadharth, what you said is, I think absolutely it's not correct, Yadharth. Yadharth, we
Ma'am,
should
correct
not-
or wrong?
No, we supposed to not take 88 as
Okay, ma'am.
XX C.
Ma'am, I'll write in the
Ma'am,
chat.
so
ma'am.
is it LXXXVIII?
Exactly. LXX means L can be L after XX can be repeated 3 times, so it's 80, and then 8 can be written as V111.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next question goes to whom?
Ma'am, I sent in the chat, ma'am.
Yes, you are correct. You are correct, Yadad. Next question, Sudesha. Sudesha, please. Sudesha.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is mine, ma'am. It's,
Okay.
write the successor of 10199. It is 10,200.
Yes. 1 minute.
101200. Yes, ma'am. Right, ma'am? That's what he said.
Ma'am, the answer for the 10th one is 5 and 19.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, you're on unmute and you can speak. Ma'am, can you hear us? Ma'am, if you can, but we can't. Ma'am, the 10th question, it is 5 and 19. And I can't hear you, ma'am.
Or 11 plus 13.
I think ma'am has internet issue.
Ma'am, if you can, please rejoin.
Ma'am, can you hear us, ma'am?
Yes, children, please.
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, for the 10th one, express 24 as sum of two prime numbers.
Yes,
It's 5 and 19.
exactly.
Ma'am, we can write as like 11 plus 13 also, right? Ma'am?
Even 11 plus 13 also 24. Here they didn't mention any consecutive prime numbers.
Yeah, ma'am.
So that we can even Sudisha too, we can go with that. It's also correct. Good. Very good. Sudisha, can you give, there are two ways are there. One way is 11 plus 13. Another way of expressing is
5 plus 19.
5 plus.
Ma'am, 19.
Wonderful. Next one. Continue, Sudisha. Please continue.
Ma'am, are we supposed to do this also, or are we going to 11th?
Let her answer the even second bit too.
Ma'am, or we can do it like for the express 14 as sum of three prime numbers. Ma'am, I need some time.
Okay. Take your time, think and give correct answer. That's all.
Yeah.
Yeah, please, everyone supposed to think and put in the chat box, children. I want to see your answer in chat.
That.
Ma'am, direct chat or everyone?
Everyone supposed to give. I want to see because
Express
everyone
20.
thinking I can.
Ma'am, no man, shall we send direct chat
Sum
to
of
you?
two prime numbers, ma'am.
Yeah, direct chat only. I'm seeing.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Lohini.
ma'am, next question goes to Sudisha, ma'am.
Yeah, please maximize.
Express 24 as sum of two prime numbers.
Daksh, please, can you maximize the screen? Daksh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, Daksh. Next question. Who is next question, children? Ashwath, who's next question? I think Daksh.
Ma'am, next is
Daksh, Drona.
Yes, ma'am. He said.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, quick, children, don't waste much of the time. Very nice questions are there. You suppose, Sudisha, are you ready with your answer? 14, sum of three prime numbers. Sudisha? No, not it. Okay.
Ma'am, I've sent in the chat.
Think fast. Yes, I got your answer.
Ma'am, I've sent in the chat.
Correct?
Ma'am, am I correct, ma'am?
Oh, what you are multiplying? Why you are giving the multiplication part? It's wrong. Ashwath, what is the question there? Which question you are giving? 11th bit, right?
Ma'am, 10th one, this second one, like.
Okay, but Ashwath, you are wrong. Ashwath, the 10th bit, you are wrong.
Ma'am, I thought it was multiplication. I'm sorry, ma'am.
Oh, read the question, my dear. Yes, Sudisha got her answer. Very good. Please.
Ma'am, the answer I thought is 7, 5, and 2.
7.
Ma'am, that's what I wrote in the
Very
chat.
good. Right. Correct. Correct, Adab. Even Daksh. Correct.
But you said
Ma'am, I gave you a private message to you.
Yeah, I'm seeing the continuously the chart. Just a minute, children. What? Yeah, I can see your chart continuously. Very good. Next question also, please. Supposed to answer the next question. Find the product by suitable rearrangement. Who
No,
are
I can.
friends here? There are two friends. You need to take together those friends group.
25
Ma'am,
multiplied by
24
4 is
and
100,
4,
and
ma'am.
ma'am, 3,456 multiplied by 100 is
Okay.
345600.
Okay. By seeing only you can answer that without using your pen and paper. You can use the 25 multiplied with 4. How much?
Ma'am, 100.
100, right. 100 multiplied with any number means same number followed by
2 zeros.
you just
2
add
zeros, ma'am.
zeros, right. Next question goes to Drona.
Find the sum by
Lohini is
suitable
there in the mid.
rearrangement.
Lohini, are you there, Nana? Lohini, are you there? Okay.
Not there.
Please think and put in the chat box.
Ma'am, just giving you information that today,
Yeah, please.
4 members are not switching on their camera. It
Okay.
is Sri Harsha, Drona, Daksh. That's it now. Now Yatharth turn on.
Drona and Daksh also. Why Drona and Daksh is not on their cams?
Even
Ma'am,
Sri Harsha, ma'am.
Even?
ma'am, actually,
Ma'am, Sri Harsha is not at all responding now.
Yeah, today I will call the parent because the parent maybe Sri Harsha joined twice, once or twice, but I don't know what is an issue.
ma'am, this
yeah,
Ma'am,
that
I don't
was-
think, ma'am, I don't think it's an internet issue, but because for so many days he's been doing this, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll just find out the reason. I'll call the parent today after the class. Next, please. Thank you so much for your information. You are so honest and your whatever the work given by the teacher, absolutely you are doing so good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good job.
ma'am,
Yeah. Yeah.
ma'am, we have to separate them, ma'am.
No, first you have to see what you're supposed to see. See units places. You need to take together what are the numbers.
Ma'am, 641,
Okay.
554, ma'am.
No, units place makes together.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
mix to,
641
ma'am,
and 359.
ma'am, to make the
Wonderful.
base number 10, ma'am.
Exactly. Units place if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
Thank
Yes,
you.
Also this and this.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
359 plus 641 and 2456 plus 540.
That is obviously 100. This becomes 3000. 3000 plus 1000 is
3000 plus 1000.
3000 plus 1000.
3000
Ma'am,
plus
it's
1000.
30000.
Yes, 3000 plus 1000.
Ma'am,
3000
4,000.
plus 1000, ma'am. 3000 followed by three more zeros.
That's all. 4000, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
sum you are getting? Which property is this? You are changing the
Ma'am,
order.
this is the commutative property.
Yes,
Sorry,
ma'am.
associative property.
Commutative property. You are
Ma'am,
changing-
commutative property, ma'am. Not
Commutative.
associative.
Not communication.
Commutative. Please pronounce once again all of you.
Commutative.
Once again, one by one, please. That pronounce
Commutative.
Ma'am, commutative.
Very good. Next, who is Ashwath?
Commutative.
Ma'am,
Yes.
only 11 questions are there now.
Sudisha?
Communicated. Yes,
Oh, down, sorry.
6 pages.
What is commutative property? It's nothing but order change property, right?
yes, ma'am. I was
Yes, ma'am.
Bracket change property is nothing but associative property, shifting brackets. So that's a simple technique to remember for you children. Next, yes, Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, 12th question, please quickly read out.
Ma'am, Lohini's coming.
Daksh, can you
Ma'am, can
scroll
you-
up little?
Scroll up.
Yeah, 1 minute, Daksh. Yes, thank
There
you.
enough.
Write the numeral for 9 crore 5 lakh 41.
9 crore 5 lakh 41. Very good question. So you
Ma'am, can we rest all can we type in the chat?
yes, you can do. Remaining all people, come on, quickly put in the chart. I'm seeing first chart. Who are the first 3 charts are appreciable. Very
Ma'am,
good
it will be
about Ashwath.
9, comma 09, comma 040.
09, 05,
040.
Wonderful. Very good, Lohni. Good job. Next question. Continue, Lohni, for you only.
Okay, ma'am. Write the numeral for
Right, Daksh, you are also correct, Daksh.
40 million.
Daksh. Yes, you are also correct. No, Daksh, you are keeping how many zeros? Once again, please, just a minute. 1 minute, ma. Daksh, 9 lakh means 5, 9,
Ma'am, in total there are 4 zeros. Right, ma'am? In the whole number.
1, it's okay, 041. Then 5, yeah. Yes, correct.
Ma'am, can you see mine, ma'am? For 12B,
Ashwath, I
write
can-
the numeral for 40,605,064.
That's correct. Right. Next, please, remaining Ashwath and Daksh both are correct. They gave first. For one is given first. Yes, next one. Lohini, please continue the next and give the numeral for 50,605,064.
Ma'am, 40 million.
Yeah, sorry, 40 million.
So,
Yes, I didn't get Sudisha answer, Drona answer, what they are doing without responding. Sudisha, Drona, please. Answer the each and every bit, please. Vedharth,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, did you answer the chart?
Ma'am, for 12th question, ma'am, first one.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, I gave.
okay.
second
Ma'am,
one.
Second one.
Write the
Ma'am,
number
second one I'm giving,
accordingly.
ma'am.
Okay. Ashwath, the third one.
Ma'am, in chat.
That's why I'm saying that draw a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Okay. Draw a polygon with 5 sides. Yes, correct, Daksh. You are correct. 40,605,064. Good. I got one more chart answer from. Yes, Daksh is given correct answer. Next. Sudisha, what is the answer for 13th bit?
Draw a simple closed curve which is not a polygon. Ma'am, a circle.
Simple closed curve which is
Ma'am,
not.
that's what I do.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Sudisha, wonderful. Next one, fifth one.
Ma'am, what?
13th one.
Next one, draw a polygon.
Oh. Draw a polygon with 5 sides. So
Pentagon.
Very good, Ashwath. Good job. Good job.
Ma'am, I'm not Ashwath, ma'am. I did not answer. Ma'am, Daksh answer.
Okay, okay. Next question, Daksh, please.
Yes, ma'am. How many right angles make 360 degrees? Ma'am, 4 right angles make
Good,
360.
good job. Very good. Next one, 15th one. Continue, Daksh. Continue, please.
Yes, ma'am. So, write the number of faces, edges, and vertices of a triangular prism. Ma'am, the
Triangular
number of...
prism means base is a triangular shape.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. How many faces you can observe for triangle?
Ma'am, 5.
Okay, yeah, triangular base means?
Ma'am, like one face here, one face here.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, and 5, right, ma'am?
5, fifth face where you are observing? Where
Ma'am,
you are?
down. Ma'am, down.
Down is okay. Down and up one is how many triangular faces? Triangular base means you will get.
Ma'am, there are 2 on the sides and ma'am, 3. 1, 2, and 3, right, ma'am?
Very good. Good. Next, edges and vertices.
Ma'am, edges are
Edges are in
9. Ma'am, 9.
edges 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Base is 3.
Ma'am, and ma'am, vertices is 6.
Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. I think you are somewhere. Let me draw on the screen.
ma'am, I think it is 6 only.
Oh, yes, that's why. So see, edges also, maybe 1 minute we will draw. Please draw your triangular prism and show it.
Ma'am, you need to check my answer.
Yeah, please draw here.
Ma'am, but number of vertices
Minute.
are 6, no, ma'am.
He is taking 1 minute. Let me draw on the screen. Wonderful. Good. Very good. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9. Okay, 9. And the vertices 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 6 vertices, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, that's what I said.
okay, 6 correct, Nana. 6 vertices. How many edges are there? Please count and tell. Edges 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Next one, how many faces? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am. 1, 2, 1, 2,
Two.
and 3 on the back and 4 down.
Very good. 1, 2, 3, right. 3, 4.
Ma'am, I know the edges for
Ma'am,
the
should I clear this?
triangular.
You can. Good.
Ma'am, can I say the answer for the pyramid one? Triangular pyramid.
Yes, you can. Please, you if you draw, please on your
Ma'am,
camera.
check my pyramid, ma'am.
For the triangular pyramid, it's going to be 4 faces. Then
But what Daksh is drawing, I think so. It's a base is not a triangular shape. Daksh, can you please draw once again your drawing? I think it is not a triangular shape, Daksh. Is it a triangle? Yeah, little big you draw. Okay, fine. Base part we supposed to, yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know how to draw, ma'am. Ma'am, but there are ma'am, there are four sides like this, and ma'am, one base.
1 minute, Daksh. 1 minute. I will draw
no,
on the
you
screen.
know, can I present and show?
Yes, ma'am. Sudisha. I think somewhere I have doubt because I think you are whatever you are drawing is
Ma'am, your doubt will be clarified if you see my answer. 15, the first 15 faces for a triangular prism. There is 5
where
faces.
you kept your message. Yes, 1 minute. I got. There are different answers given by my students. Okay, whose answer is this? Okay. Faces 5. Edges 6.
Ma'am, if I can present and show you, I'll.
Okay, please do that. Sudisha,
Ma'am, Daksh has to stop.
Daksh, this is correct. Daksh, what you did now, this is triangular prism. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
what you draw right now, that's a triangular prism.
Yes, ma'am. How do we draw a triangular pyramid then?
Prism or pyramid it is? Children, it is pyramid or prism. What is the question? Which question it is?
Ma'am, pyramid.
Pyramid.
Okay, but they're asking about?
Ma'am, 15th
Pyramid.
first one is asking prism. Second one is
second one
asking
pyramid.
pyramid.
Oh, both are there. Okay, right.
Ma'am, this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this is the OR question, so ma'am.
Okay, I understood right now. I understood. Okay, I thought the second question I'm continuously seeing why the student is drawing a okay.
A pyramid, ma'am.
Yeah. Now it's a pyramid. Pyramid have how many faces? Very good. 1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, 4.
4. Yeah. How many edges, Sudesha? Please count quickly and give. 1, 2, 3, 4,
6.
6. Very good. How many vertices?
Vertices.
Means corners, Nana, meeting points.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Down 3, up top 1 is 1. Total 4 vertices for a triangular prism. Very good, Nana. Both
Ma'am,
are
fine, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, fine, ma'am.
No, you see, please here, Daksh, please count here. You just mark here what are the vertices, just make a circles on that.
Okay, sorry, ma'am. Yeah, 5, 4 only, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay.
Ma'am, what did you say?
No, triangular prism you draw right now.
Yes,
Please,
ma'am.
please once again draw and mark the vertices there.
Triangular prism, ma'am.
Yeah, prism, not a. Yeah, pyramid you draw, not prism, Nana. Pyramid you draw.
Ma'am, how to
Prism
draw
is over.
pyramid?
Prism already we discussed, no need. It's very clear.
Pyramid.
Not like that. Remove that line.
Ma'am, you get the idea, ma'am. It's
Right,
one is
no?
over here, one.
Exactly. It's okay. So vertices, please mark the vertices.
Ma'am, vertices are 1,
Very good. 2, 3.
3.
Very good. 4, Wonderful. 5.
Ma'am, 4 only.
5.
So this
Five.
Oh. Ma'am, but
Ma'am, I said 5 only, na, ma'am.
this drawing is not so perfect.
one face is not
4.
Ma'am, one face is behind.
behind. That's why we are unable to count. Now in this figure we can.
Ma'am, actually, I think the drawing is wrong, but actually, it should be only 4.
No, Sudesha, just before drawing, please once again.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, when you say a pyramid,
ma'am,
I'm
can I
just
just, ma'am, this is Ashwath, ma'am.
Oh.
Can I just share my screen? I'll show a 360-degree pyramid. 360-degree, I can move all sides.
1 minute, ma. Let me complete a little bit. Please, everyone, draw the pyramid and prism, triangular prism and triangular pyramid in your paper. Then you can on your videos. I want to see whether you are doing or not. I will help you little later. Yes. Next, 16th question. Radius of circle. Diameter. Half of diameter is nothing but radius.
Radius.
Drona, Lohini, what is radius here? Lohini, what is radius? Lohini, please. Daksh, can you please little down, scroll down? Down.
Yes, ma'am. Wait a second. Yes, ma'am.
Lohini is there in the meet?
Ma'am, she's there, ma'am. But ma'am, her camera is on also.
Okay. Lohini, am I audible to you? Sudisha, please answer the next question.
Yeah, ma'am.
16th
What?
question.
Yeah, ma'am. What is the radius of a circle with the diameter 12 centimeters?
Yeah.
Ma'am, so we have to add the 12 or we have to multiply 12 with 2, which is 24.
No. Diameter is the longer. Diameter means 2.
Ma'am, radius is the half
Ma'am, radius
of a
is
diameter.
6. Ma'am, radius
Ma'am,
is
6.
Yeah, we. So Sudisha, they're not. They're
half
giving
of diameter.
Diameter they gave.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to divide with 2.
No,
We divide.
Half of diameter is nothing but radius. It's 12.
Yeah.
12 half means 6. Radius is 6. The right case-based question. Yeah, please read the case, Daksh.
Yes, ma'am. Ram went to a supermarket to buy fruits. Help him in finding answers for the following questions with the help of the following table.
Ma'am, this is from data handling.
Exactly. Apples per kg.
Ma'am, we did not learn data.
Okay, don't worry. It's very simple concept.
Ma'am, but I know.
Apples 150, banana 26, papaya 35, oranges 70, grapes 120. Find the amount has to pay. He wants to buy 3 kgs apple. Suppose if we take a 3 kgs apple means apple cost of 1 kg.
150
Ma'am,
to 3,
150. Ma'am, 150 multiplied by 3,
3.
3, ma'am.
which is
So,
ma'am
4
450.
450. Then
Yes,
4
ma'am.
kg banana. 26 multiplied with 4. Yes, what is the answer? 26 multiplied with
Ma'am, 104. 104.
1,200.
Okay. Very
Ma'am,
good.
100.
No, this is 450.
Come on, Abhi.
Who is that? Ashwath, mute yourself.
Ashwath.
Ashwin, please mute yourself.
Please, Ashwath. Sudisha, what is the cost of bananas of 4 kgs? Here 1 kg is given as 26 rupees. 4 kgs, cost of 4 kg.
1 minute, ma'am.
Quickly give the reply so that Ashwath can add both apples price and banana price and supposed to give full answer. And next question, Daksh, please think about next question.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am? 17 to
Ah.
Ma'am, the answer is
10 kg.
100 and
4.
24, 26 into 4, 4, 4, 6.
Ma'am, 17 second one is ma'am 120 with 1 0
1
added.
minute, Nana, 1 minute. Daksh, I'll come back.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is my answer right?
104, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Wonderful. You're correct, Sudisha. And 450 plus 104 is
450%.
Ma'am, 5. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
500 and
Ma'am, B option.
Option 554. Very
Ma'am,
good.
B option, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah, Daksh, you got the same answer.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
First one.
17th question.
Ma'am, just find 3 kg and 4 kg how much, then add them both.
Ma'am, B1, right, ma'am? Ma'am,
Right.
yes, ma'am.
554, correct. Next, Daksh, please read. this.
17th second is, what is the cost of 10 kg of grapes? So, ma'am, here 1 kg of grapes is 120.
Ma'am, 120 into 10. So
Ma'am, 120
120
multiplied by 10 is 1200.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good,
So option B,
wonderful.
ma'am.
Correct.
Yes,
Next one, third question, Yadharth.
Okay, ma'am. How much amount he needs to pay to shopkeeper if he buys all variety fruits 2 kg?
All
Ma'am, so-
varieties, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You're supposed to add
So 150 into 2, 26, all into 2, ma'am.
300. Okay. Then
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, first I added all of them, then I multiplied.
Yes, ma'am. 150 is 300, ma'am.
yeah, you're supposed to add all and multiply with the 2. Well,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
also
Yes, ma'am.
correct. Very good.
And 150 into 2 is 300.
No, 150 plus 1.
Ma'am, 150.
Uh,
Ma'am, it's
Children, do individually and give the answer in the chat box. Come on, quick. Who's correct? Who are giving fast and fast reply? I supposed to see. Who will give the first, second, 3 places are appreciable. Come on, do fast. This is the last. Yes, I got answer from Daksh. Wonderful, wonderful, Daksh.
Ma'am, Daksha did the exam. He'll see his answer sheet.
Yes,
and tell
ma'am.
Okay, so that I can ask Ashwath. Next, who are giving answer that's appreciable?
Now, once, can you say Daksh to
Ma'am,
me?
can you scroll up?
Yeah.
Daksh.
Daksh, please scroll up the table you're supposed to keep. Let them give answer. Come on, Sudisha. I want who are going to give the first answer. Either Ashwath or Yadharth or Sudisha or Lohini or Sriharsha or Drona. Drona, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually writing the. I'm actually doing all the sums, ma'am. I'm giving
Yeah.
all at once, ma'am.
Okay. Add all the questions. Come on. Add all the prices of different fruits. And because every fruit is 2 kgs, so that commonly multiplied with, you just add all the quantities.
Ma'am, I'm giving all the answers.
Okay, I want to see. I didn't get any chart. Very good, Sudisha. So sorry.
Ma'am, I sent.
Sudisha, you just added, but they're buying the 2 kgs each. Sudisha,
Yeah,
Ma'am, till how much amount he needs to pay to the shopkeeper?
Ma'am, I sent the answer. Is it correct?
1 minute. Let me check. Yes, Yadharth Ratnam, correct. Very good.
2 not 1 into.
And Daksh, correct. Yadharth, correct. I'm waiting for Sudisha. Answer should be corrected.
Ma'am, so all the question Daksh will give first only, ma'am, because he knows.
Lohini gave. Please, Lohini, check once.
I remember.
Lohini. They're buying 2 kgs each quantity of fruits
My
are
answer right.
wrong, Sudisha. Please, Sudisha,
Adding
please
also.
add it properly.
Also, Sudisha, can you give direct message?
Sudisha, use your brain. Don't use your pen and paper. Use your brain here. 120 plus 190. This is
Ma'am, we can use Vedic maths here also.
exactly.
You can do mind calculation.
Yeah, do in your mind, children. Whatever answer you are addition after, you multiply with the 2, because each and every varieties of fruits they are buying 2 kgs. I didn't get Ashwath answer too. Yes. Sri Harsha, are you there?
Ma'am, if you take like grapes 120, ma'am, you can do like from first, ma'am. So
Like
1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, then 0 plus 0 is 0, 240.
Ma'am, I checked.
Okay. Yes, Lohini again 401. 401, what you gave is correct, Lohini. Your price of each 1 kg cost you are giving. But they're buying 2
We
kg.
have to multiply it
Ma'am,
with 2
Ashwath gave
again.
correct answer, ma'am.
Ashwath, correct? Correct, you are correct.
Ma'am, but he
Yes.
said, I think.
No, think it's absolutely
Ma'am,
correct.
1 minute, let me check. This thing into this thing.
Sudisha, what?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, yes,
no,
it's
no.
correct. It is correct.
I want a Lohini, please.
Ma'am?
401 multiplied with the 2 you're supposed to do.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes, very happy to hear you. How are you?
ma'am, fine, ma'am. Ma'am, I have exams, ma'am. That's why I didn't join.
Okay, but you're supposed to let me know one message you put, right, Nana? I know that you are busy with your exams, but you have to put some message. This is also very helpful. When is your math exam, Harsha?
Ma'am, my exams are done, ma'am.
Okay. Please give active responses.
Today only 9 exams are done.
Okay, Sudisha. So everyone, I think so. Today.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done, ma'am.
Tomorrow onwards, holidays for you, children.
Ma'am, today my already started. Day after tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am. Even my
Yes,
holiday was
ma'am,
today.
from today, mine also already started, ma'am.
Holidays.
Ma'am, holidays are going to start from 9th, but not from today.
Okay, then I can't take.
Ma'am, my next exam is IMO, ma'am. I think so,
Okay.
IMO.
Please practice the questions and let me know the difficulties, Ashwath Reddy.
Ma'am, IMO like Olympiad IMO.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. The IMO I am practicing, ma'am. Today I completed one
Ma'am?
chapter.
Yes.
Ma'am, now we are in which lesson, ma'am?
We are in fractions, ma. Just today the students' exam are completed. We are discussing the question paper. Once it is over, operations on fractions we supposed to discuss.
Ma'am, it won't be over today. There's another 4 pages.
Oh, how many questions it is?
Ma'am, actually, yes, ma'am.
36.
Ma'am, it's
36.
halfly year exam. It should be very long, ma'am. actually.
Okay. Anything, let it be. Make it fast. A little back.
But
Yes,
ma'am, we'll also get revision, ma'am.
yeah, move. Yeah, it's one of the revision. That's why children, each and every question paper, if you're supposed to share means we can extend, because varieties of questions make you think little more.
Ma'am, so should we go down?
Yes.
Is this it?
Yes, fourth question. Sudisha, please answer the fourth question. Sudisha is not giving answer yet.
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't get your answer.
I typed it and I did not enter.
Okay, I got your correct. Lohini, did you corrected your answer? It's 401 you are giving. But see the question, how much amount need to pay if shopkeeper buys all varieties of fruits 2 kgs each?
Ma'am, they're giving half of the actual answer, which is 401.
8 not
802. Yes, Sriharsha, please read out the 17th question, Sriharsha. Wait, children, I want to.
Yes, ma'am.
Many days I didn't heard about. Yeah, please continue, Sriharsha.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can you
find
scroll
the
up?
amount he get back if he bought half kg apples, 2 kg of oranges, and paid rupees 500 to the shopkeeper.
Yeah, you
Ma'am,
have
can you
500
please,
road.
can you please
1
scroll
minute,
it up,
1
ma'am,
minute,
so
1
that I
minute,
can-
children, please. Sriharsha, you have 500 rupees note with you. You are buying
Yes.
half kg of apple. Apple 1 kg is 150. Half kg means how much you are supposed to pay?
Ma'am, half kg means I am supposed to pay. Ma'am,
Kg, 1 kg is 150. Half kg means?
ma'am, 1 kg. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am.
Mind you have to do half of 150. You have 150.
Ma'am, the answer is 75 rupees.
Very good, 75. But 2 kgs, cost of 2 kgs grapes. What is the cost of grapes? Daksh here?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the cost of 2 kg grapes is, ma'am, 1 kg is 120.
So 2 kgs means, wait. No, Sriharsha, 2 kgs means?
Ma'am, 1 kg is how much, ma'am?
120.
Ma'am, 1 kg is 120 means 2 kgs means 240, ma'am.
240 plus 75.
Ma'am, 240 plus 75. Ma'am, it's 315.
Very good. You have 500 rupees note. You gave to shopkeeper. You need to suppose to give 315. How much amount get back from shopkeeper?
Ma'am, can you please, ma'am, can you,
Ma'am, I
Daksh,
should
can you
get-
please, scroll up because can I refer to the table?
Sure, sure. Yeah, so yes, please. So Sri Harsha,
Ma'am, I should get rupees 185.
wonderful. Good job. Good job. Right.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, oranges, can you just,
One
minute,
minute,
1
ma'am.
minute.
Wait a second, ma'am.
1 minute.
Ma'am,
One
rupees
minute,
you should.
Children, there is when 1 minute. Something is different here.
Ma'am, 285.
Come to the table, Nana. Come to the table once.
5. Ma'am, it's 185 actually.
So 120. 120
125.
plus 120, 240. 240 plus 70.
ma'am, apples is half kg, which is 75 rupees, and oranges is double, so that 140.
20 only, but not 120.
No, what is the question? Please, not 2 kgs of grapes. Please come down the question mark. Come to question. Yeah,
Yeah.
2 kgs of oranges. What is the question? Find the amount, get back. If
Yes.
not, it's not grapes, children. It's oranges, please.
Ma'am, actually he said that it is 120, so I took it as 120. Actually, it is 70. So
Okay.
double of 70 is 140.
140 plus 75.
140 plus
Ma'am, the final answer is 285.
1 minute, 1 minute. 140 plus 75. 215. Yes.
Ma'am,
please.
200.
215. If you're supposed to give 500 to
Ma'am,
shopkeeper-
285, right, ma'am?
Ma'am, actually it is 140 plus 175.
285 is correct answer. That's correct. 285 is correct answer. Because how much amount you are getting back?
Yes.
You're spending 215. You gave 500 rupees note to shopkeeper. So he's supposed to give back to 285.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I wrote.
Right, right. 17th. Any doubt, children, in 17th bit?
No, ma'am.
Next, Edarth, please continue the last bit.
Yes, ma'am. Which fruit price per kg is twice the price of papaya? Ma'am, can you
Sum
scroll
of
up?
papaya.
Papaya?
Ma'am, oranges.
Very good. Papaya is 35, oranges is 70. Very
Ma'am,
good.
because when I was calculating that other question,
Table
ma'am.
only, by seeing table only you can. I
Yes,
can see
ma'am.
There are many answers are correct. Very good. Yes, Daksh, please answer the 18th bit.
Ma'am, we have only 5 minutes left.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, John and Jaya are playing with marbles in the playground.
Okay.
They together have 45 marbles and John has 15 marbles. Find the following.
Okay.
Number of marbles Jaya had. So, ma'am, if John had 15 marbles, ma'am,
Ma'am,
Jaya has to
Jaya
have
had-
30 marbles.
Ma'am, the total is 60 marbles.
What?
Ma'am, if we
No,
add.
no, wait, ma.
Together
they
is
have
45 marbles.
Children, together they have 45. John has 15. The leftover 45 minus 15
Ma'am,
is
we need to
40.
minus.
Ma'am, 30.
Ma'am, 30.
Jaya
Ma'am,
has
45 minus
30
15 is
marbles.
30, ma'am. So 30.
Very good. C option is correct. Who got C is absolutely correct.
Ma'am, I.
Ma'am,
Me,
I
ma'am.
also.
I also.
Ma'am, Daksh is like his question paper only, ma'am. He'll know all the answers.
Okay, let it be. Let it be.
Ma'am,
That's why-
Ma'am, I'm checking. I'm getting the marks early.
Exactly, exactly. Daksh, please. Huh? What more?
Ma'am, it's 30.
Very good. Correct. Next question, Sudhisha, please give the next question answer.
If the marbles with John and Jaya tripled, then what is the total answer of the marbles? Total number of the marbles. Ma'am, 45. Oh, sorry. Plus 45.
If marbles with John and Jay are tripled, total marbles 45. Tripled means
45 multiplied by 3, right?
very good.
60, ma'am. It's just 60 plus 16. 60. So it's 120.
No, ma, 90 plus 45, 135, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Then what is the total marbles? 135. Tripled means
Yeah.
45 multiplied with 3. That's
Three.
all, Sudhisha.
Ma'am, option C, 135.
Correct. Next one, Sudhisha, continue with the 18th one.
Yeah, ma'am.
Third bit, 18th third bit.
Yeah, ma'am.
I
3
gave them
and
some
15
clue
plus.
also here. I gave some clue
Ma'am,
also.
Ma'am, it is distributive property.
Good. Next, Sri Harsha, 18th, fourth one.
And
Sri
because in their distributive property, because 3 is common.
yeah.
Ma'am,
18th.
ma'am,
fourth one.
that is
Ma'am, can you tell me what was the
property.
18th third answer?
18th distributive property.
Ma'am, and 18th fourth?
18th fourth is, wait a minute, he is telling me.
Ma'am, 18th is option A, commutative property.
Wonderful. Because order change property is nothing but commutative property. One continue, Sri Harsha, 18th 5.
Ma'am,
Please quickly continue. Fifth bit 2. Come on, children, please. Little hurry up.
ma'am,
Was breaking. Which
ma'am,
question was it?
ma'am, I didn't understand the question, ma'am. Can you tell?
45 is replaced by the greatest 2-digit number.
Ma'am, it is 54.
In the above case discussed in the question, then the number of marbles Jaya has. 45 replaced by greatest 2-digit number.
Ma'am, it's 54, I think.
Greatest 2-digit number means?
Ma'am, 99 actually.
Very
Then
good.
99.
Very good. So what is in the above case?
Ma'am, 65, ma'am.
Why 65?
Ma'am, I added the 15 plus 45 like that,
Why you
ma'am.
show you the question you have to think, ma.
generally,
Ma'am, I can't hear you because of the background music.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, also
Yes.
time is up, ma'am.
Okay, children, please.
99.
Still 1 minute, ma'am.
One little scroll up, ma. Please scroll up.
Jaya, 1 minute, ma'am.
Not up, down, please. Down, scroll down. Yeah, wait. 45 replaced by the greatest 2-digit number in the above case. Discussed in the question, then the number of marbles Ajaya has. A greatest
Ma'am, the
2-digit.
time is up, ma'am.
Yeah. Sri Harsha, what is greatest 2-digit number?
Greatest 2-digit number is 99, ma'am. Generally.
That's all. It's not 65. Next, look at the figure.
Ma'am, time is up, ma'am, already.
Ma'am, one thing I want to say, ma'am, I'm interested in this. I want to, but ma'am, whoever is saying that time is up,
Let
I
them.
want to just say them that who don't want to be in the class, they may leave because it's disturbing me a lot.
Exactly. It's a very interesting question paper. Even I have some other exactly by 7 o'clock. Other students are having the class 8 and class 7 students are there. I suppose to take class children. No need of reminding. Thank you so much for your remembrance. And of course, Daksh, can you share this paper with me so that I can post in the group? Remaining people also complete with their answers tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Please do that. Share personally.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, to your WhatsApp.
Yes, Daksh.
Okay, ma'am.
Rest of the parts we'll discuss tomorrow, children. Sudisha, I'll post the same worksheet in our group. Please go through that complete paper and come back with any doubts. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have
Okay,
a
bye,
nice day.
children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice
Bye,
day.
Daksh. Bye, Ashwath. Bye,
Bye.
Sudisha.
Bye, Adarsh.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Ma'am, I didn't